Struggling with the Android app not installed error? It's frustrating when an important app won't install. In this video, we'll cover common reasons behind this issue and share effective fixes to get your app installed smoothly. Let's dive in. Part 1. Why does my APK say app not installed? Storage, low space, permissions, missing APK, corrupted compatibility, compatible signatures, conflicting location restricted, security of blocked .SD card, corrupted. Part 2. How to fix Android app not installed. 9 fixes. Way 1. Utilize Google Play Store. Way 2. Download the APK file. Way 3. Allow the app to access the phone. Way 4. Select a proper app location. Way 5. Mount your SD card. Way 6. Format your SD card. Way 7. Clear the phone storage. Way 8. Reset app preference. Part 3. Fix an app not installing on Android via reliable tool. System malfunctions can cause app installation failures. Android Repair, a trusted tool, fixes system issues and supports 1,000 plus devices, especially Samsung. How do I fix an app that cannot be installed on Android with Android Repair? Open the software and go to the System Repair tab. Connect your device via USB, select Android Repair, review the issues, and click Start. 3. In the subsequent window, enter the details of your device and click Next to proceed. Input 00000 in the designated field and select Confirm to move forward. Download mode home button devices. Turn off the phone, press Home, Power, and Volume down for 10 seconds, release. Then press Volume up to enter download mode. Download mode no home button. Turn off the phone, press Bixby, Power, and Volume down for 10 seconds, release. Then press Volume up to enter download mode. 5. Once your device is in download mode, click Next to download the appropriate firmware for your phone. After the download is finished, the tool will automatically begin the process to resolve the app not installed issue on Android.